Yeah, I know what you're thinking. I'm not Matt. But do you know what? Matt's on holiday. Again. And he does have a lot of holidays, but in fairness, most of the time he works quite hard. Being January, it's a great time to reflect. Look at what you've achieved. Look at what you're planning to achieve in the coming year. So this week, we're going to show you where the YouTube channel started back in 2021. Only a short video. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll be back to normal next week.
But I got the reach. Pop, lock, now I'm off the leash. Mic drop, I ain't gotta preach. I just do what comes natural. 5-star, everything I see. Live large, no apology. Take charge, no one can compete. I just do what comes natural.
Dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah, riding around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, but we ain't with all that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Made $1 million and I can't go back. Got a lot of jewelry on me, man, you can't hold that. 12 ask him better, tell him that I ain't so crack. Know your money long when your people can't afford that. I'm ballin', yeah. My mama told me that did my calling. I keep that stick, I don't do no brawling. Up and out the doors and let them all in, yeah.
It sound right, boys.